What's poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Danny P. As you guys can tell by the title of this video, I am about to cut off these braids and rock my teeny weeny afro for the first time. So ever since I cut my locks, I have had these braids in, and honestly they still look good, but they're a little grown out, and I'm noticing in the back that my eczema is kind of starting to act up a little bit, which is kind of a first for me. I don't know what's going on. So that's the reason why I'm going to take these braids out, just for the health of my hair and my scalp. If you guys want to stick with me in this journey of rocking this new hairstyle with me, stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. And I can see where my hair stops. It's like kind of like right here in this area. I'm gonna cut like right here. Y'all, I've had long hair for like my whole entire life. To sit here and cut this short literally gives me so much anxiety, but it's okay. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Here's my number, so call me maybe. All right, let's get into it. I say this is probably gonna take an hour. Finally, guys, it is all out of my head. I personally think it's too late for me to wash my hair. It is 9:23 at night, so I think we're gonna do that tomorrow. I'm gonna wash it, deep condition, all that good stuff. I'm gonna do that tomorrow, and I'm going to curl it. And yeah, guys, I have short hair. This is actually crazy to me. I actually don't hate it. I actually kind of like it. It's actually pretty cute to me. Stay tuned for tomorrow. I'm going to style this. Hey guys, I just got out of the shower and I washed my hair. I'm sorry I couldn't show you guys this process of me washing my hair. It's really because I don't really know how to do how the hair content creators do. If you want to teach me, please DM me. I'm going to be using this Voodoo hair growth oil by Gloss by Name. I will forever live by this oil. I don't give a fuck. And I'm going to be using the BL White Peony leave-in conditioner. I'm going to start oiling my scalp so we can grow this hair back out, guys. This is what we're trying to do. This is the goal. It's probably going to take me like 4 years to get it back to the length that I had it before. But I mean, I'm not mad at that, honestly. It was my decision to cut my hair off in the first place, so might as well stick it through. Okay, the curls are curling though. They look so pretty. Hair is nice and oiled. Now we're gonna spray it with the leave-in conditioner. All right, now we're gonna go in with this gel. I'm gonna play some music, so speed this up a little bit.
We're talking about practice.
So this is the finished result. Oh my god. Oh, I ain't gonna lie, I love it. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, I'm in love. Like, I'm in love. Like, what the fuck? I never thought, I never knew, this is cute. I love this shit. If you like this video, make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your girl, and I'll see you guys in my next video.